rural themes, and they were fairly upbeat on prospects over there. Hero Motocorp is well in top gear with a nice 5% notch up. Titan at 985. You've got Cipla, HCL Technologies, Infosys, TCS, as well as Tech Mahindra. So lots of participation from IT, IOC in the green, ONGC, RIL, in Bharti Infratel, as well as Bajaj Auto and Sun Pharma flexing their muscles. On the flip side, Axis Bank, after yesterday's solid run-up, is a little bit tempered, goes home with a 2% cut. Vedanta in the red, UPL at 442, Kotak, NTPC and Bharti Airtel too are currently in the red. Some of the newsmakers just reiterating Axis Bank with that fundraise, and it was an ET Now Newsbreak confirmed 15,000 crore rupees via shares and other securities. The railway stocks were on a tear in today's trading session as the Indian Railways is talking about the process of private players being invited for passenger train operations. Meantime, you also had some of the other candidates like TVS Motor in focus on the back of the auto sales numbers, All Cargo Logistics reacting to its quarterly numbers, Ever Ready, another result reaction coming in there. So a whole host of those candidates. Lots of activity within the broader universe as well. So the mid and the small caps go home with a comfortable gain of 1% plus. You've got Phillips Carbon in the green, ISCI, Moil notches up a good 8%. Something like Tata Power, Rail Vikas Nigam, ITD Cement, M&M Financial, as well as Equitas, Bandhan Bank, Bosch and Pfizer are all high flyers in today's trading session. Omax a bit tempered, Magma Fincorp in the red, Sri Renuka, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, Brigade Enterprises and Phoenix Mills are some of the stocks that have a little bit of a muted run. But all in all, it's a steady session of trade. We piggybacked on the strong global cues and we've seen a commendable move on the frontline index. Dr. Narayan, your thoughts as to what exactly this move is indicating, given the fact that you had broader market participation, second straight day of gains and support coming in from across the board?
Well, that's correct, Avan. The breadth portion is what is most, most encouraging about today's move. We have a very large number of stocks which have participated right from the start of the day. This strong breadth has been maintained. So clearly, this would indicate two things. A, there isn't much by way of built-up positions that came in to halt the progress of the trend, and B, there was a willingness to buy into a large number of stocks even at higher levels. Now both of these are quite positive for the trend ahead. But now that 2 days of upside action has happened, I think the long pending position situation would have changed. Now a lot of BTSC trades would have got built up, seeing the consistency in the up move, and tomorrow higher levels will definitely be a change from what has been the situation at higher levels of yesterday and today. Besides which, tomorrow is the week ending, and that will bring in additional trimming of positions on its own. So I would be wary of BTST selling coming in the morning. So I would really want to take a view on the progress of the trend after, say, about 15 minutes or 30 minutes tomorrow morning, when all this BTST activity would have got completed. And then we can see for persistence of the buying quality of the market. If that persistence is there, and now that the index has moved up to 21,550 levels, it's on verge of pushing through again. And then now beyond this level, only the 200-day moving average level around 10,800, 10,900 levels. That is the only thing which is left as a kind of an immediate, immediate resistance. So that could be the next target if the up move were to continue. But triggers for bearishness are far away. So at worst, we might have dips into near-term supports, which again will be looked upon as buying opportunities. So overall, it seems okay, and we should only be wary of profit taking coming at higher levels tomorrow.